You can find them in the savanna and the desert. Zebras can weigh between 529 to 820 pounds and measure up to 8 feet long. Zebras are very social animals. They live in herds consisting of a male, several females, and their offspring. They always stay together, protecting each other. Did you know that when a member of the herd is attacked, all the other members come to its defense and face their predators together? But who are their main predators? Let's see if you can guess. Lions and hyenas. Did you know that zebras sleep standing up during the day? It's amazing, isn't it?